first start with what is Kansa wand. So most of the people you would have seen in the pics. This is our Kansa wand. This is teakwood. This is Kansa. Kansa is bronze, where it is copper plus tin and trace amounts of zinc is there. So what is it and how? See, we say it is like 5,000 years ancient wisdom, Ayurvedic wisdom. It actually came to India during the Bronze Age. So at that time, if you know, people used to eat in Kansa plates. People used to drink from Kansa cup. So it is said that this Kansa neutralizes acid content. So they used to eat in metal plates so that the food can be digested easily. If there is excess of acid content in the food, that used to be neutralized. Drinking from Kansa cup used to be assumed that it is like a natural water filtration system, because it is taking away all the acid content from the water. That is at that time, because water didn't used to be as polluted as it is nowadays. But and then they gradually realized that Kansa thing, this, if you use it on your skin also, it can neutralize the acid content in your skin. So how does it help us to revitalize and plump skin, depuff our eyes, all the fine lines on the face, wrinkles. Because of the circulation, the lymphatic drainage happens. You will have a renewed glow on your face because of the increased circulation in the face, in the muscles of the face. But what is magical in this, it neutralizes the pH on your skin. The acid content, the acidity in your skin is responsible for a faster aging, your acne marks, your fine lines, everything. See, fine lines, wrinkles will still come, but it will delay that. It will soften them. It will, what we call that, it will smoothen the face. It will bring that glow. All these swellings, which I also still have somewhere, then the lymphatic drainage happens and all these come down. So basically for me, it's neutralizing capacity, its neutralizing ability is the magic thing. So what Kansa wand basically does is it stimulates the marma points on our face. What are marma points? So these are like in an Ayurvedic way, we say, where there are intersections between bones, ligaments, tendons, arteries and all. So if we stimulate those marma points, it will not only give radiance to your skin, glow to your skin, it will heal your skin. It is generally very good for well-being of the body. So on the face, I am talking about the marma points of the Utkshepa marma, Shringatak marma, Sthapani marma, Avarth marma, these hollows of the eyes. Then these temples are Shankha marma, these are Fana marma, Vidhur marma. We have to stimulate these marma points for the well-being, for the skin radiance, for the glow on your face, for all the benefits which you want to get out of the Kansa wand. So we will be doing circle anti-clockwise and clockwise massage on these marma points, and then zigzag motion like this on your neck and on your. One more important thing is how to use Kansa wand. We cannot use Kansa wand without any serum. It will stretch your skin. So I am using Earthiness Rejuvenating Face Serum. Why is it important to use a serum? Because see, the nutrients in the serum are also absorbed in the skin very well. So it will give you double benefit, double glow, double the radiance in Kansa wand. So first we will remove our hair from on the face. We are using this face serum. Never use face serum like this. If you'll see in some YouTube videos, they will show using serum like this. Never use serum like this. This nozzle should not touch your face, otherwise dead skin from your face goes in this and next time it will cause infection. So we will take this in our hands, apply it specially over the forehead points, then inside near your nose, near your mouth, on your jawline, near your cheeks, Now Kansa one. So we'll start from the forehead where the main marma points are. Okay. So we are starting from here, clockwise, anti-clockwise, clockwise, then anti-clockwise. See, you can do on any area for any amount of time you can do. It is very, very, very relaxing. Now we will, from here we will do this zigzag pattern till the temple. Again we will do clockwise, then anti-clockwise. Can do this zigzag pattern again. Use a little bit of force here. These are the points you have to activate. Clockwise, anti-clockwise. You can make this 8 also, like this pattern. I can keep doing it. I love using Kansa wand. It is very, very, very relaxing. Now we'll come to the eyes. Here you can start from this point, nose, base of the nose, under your eye, over the eye, then again we will make it 8. Make this 8 pattern. Under the eye, over the eye, under the eye, over the eye, under the eye, over the eye. Keep making this 8 from the base of the nose. See, starting from here, clockwise, anti-clockwise, clockwise, anti-clockwise. Now we will take this from here till the temple, doing this round rotations. Then again from down till the temple, making this clockwise and anti-clockwise rotation. From this point now, clockwise, then anti-clockwise. Now from this jawline till back of the ear, this clockwise, anti-clockwise. These are the points we have to, marma points we have to activate. Same on the other part of the face. Clockwise, anti-clockwise. Then down. When we'll do the jawline, then back of the ear. On the neck, we will do the zigzag pattern we have done on the forehead. Do as much as you can do, the amount of time you can spare for yourself. It is self-pampering, self-relaxation. All the marma points on your face gets activated. Now one more thing. Sometimes after doing the massage, you may have a grey effect on the skin. Grey, your face will turn into grey color. That's because this is bronze, Kansa. And if your face has acidity in it, if you're using products which are acidic in nature, the skin pH is acidic, there is toxins, pollution in your skin, then it will react with Kansa and your skin will turn grey. If it happens, just use a tissue paper and wipe it off. That is all you need to do. That is actually a good sign. That is a sign that your massage is working well, your Kansa is working well, and that's actually a proof that how it actually neutralizes the acidity on your skin and gives you all the benefits.